Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from 63 minutes video. The clip itself is focusing on the forex market. However, I cover in the long video many markets and you will see me introducing them. I'm sure that if you follow the markets, you have noticed we have had some serious falls recently, and the question is whether we have now hit support, and after a few days of going nowhere, we are going to continue this rally that we have seen in the last few months, or we are going down. I will be assessing the major indices in this video, and you can see some excellent setups ready for trading, and the video will guide you very well, prepare you for the entire coming week. If you like to have further information about the service, please stay on after the clip ends. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have a great trading week. Bye now. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. Here are the charts that I have in this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, British pound Swiss franc, Australian dollar Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar Japanese yen, gold, silver, platinum, light crude, the USD bond, the VIX, the Dow Transportation Average, the S&P 500, S&P 400, the Nasdaq, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, Italy's MIB, the Russian RTS index, the Chinese Securities Index, very important chart in this video, and I'll terminate the video with a look at silver Wheaton. It's a stock we have followed on a number of occasions. It's quoted in the US. Here's another interesting chart. That's the Australian dollar Japanese yen weekly scale, and this one goes back to April 1991. I have worked with long-standing idea here applied to the Australian dollar and also the New Zealand dollar, so far with a good measure of success, that we have seen a huge ABC here. That ABC that you can see that started from roughly mid-95, scored, I think, a temporary bottom here in 2008. And there is a scope for this one actually to come down and visit the bottom here. If you look carefully, and I will go step by step here, we had what looks like a 1-2, that looks like a third, and all of that could still be encapsulated as a fourth wave. It's a fourth wave that has been going on since the bottom here in 2008, and there is really nothing in this chart to deny this possibility. If you study it carefully, you will see what I mean. That's A, that's B, that's C, that's D. It is converging. It's converging. It might even have a slight run here that is still feasible within the context of an A instead of ABC here, giving us the E terminating here. The E is still ongoing, with this being an A, that's a B. A slight rally here to complete the E, and then we could be seeing a serious drop to test 55 to complete the 5 legs. Now, there are two crucial levels in this chart. If you are not involved in any way in this chart, I mean in this forex, with this forex pair, just consider this level 90 and this level that comes at 72 or so as crucial levels, because a run above this will definitely take it to test the previous high that you see right here, and a crash through that, yes, almost certainly will take it down to test 55. That's what I would say at this point concerning this chart. You will find that this chart is quite helpful when we come to see the next one, and that is the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. I have not put film labelings here, but you can see that essentially it is showing the same structure. That's the weekly scale going back to 1998 or so, and I assume that we are coming from, again, from that big idea of an A, B, C. We're coming down. That's a 1-2. There is nothing in this chart to say this is not possible. Yes, 1, 2, 3. That's a fourth wave. In fact, the price action here is very much resembling a fourth wave structure. Do you see A, B, C? D, that could be our E. And if I take it, the E could converge into a triangle. I wouldn't try to read too much into this, but I'm just pointing out the elements that seem to fall into place to qualify this as a fourth wave. I wouldn't trade this forex pair because I don't think that you have really significant odds here to pull it one way or another. Like in the case of the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, see us run above that, and something is afoot here, and it wants to go a lot higher, break through that level, and I would imagine even a break through that level is already a pretty serious signal, especially if it does it in an impulsive manner, something like that. This one wants to go way lower. Like the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, this one will go and test 45 and would present fantastic buying opportunity. Here presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And RN Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I I had an account with AUDJPY. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AUDJPY, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AUDJPY used to be AUDJPY, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up. It comes up with the sign up. You've got your AUDJPY Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. AUDJPY Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then AUDJPY Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then AUDJPY Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AUDJPY, choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link, and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.